and Jackson walks. And I want to take the time right here to congratulate former teammate of my 2 colleagues up here in the booth, Bernie Williams. He graduated from college today. He received his bachelor's degree in jazz performance from Manhattan School of Music, which is an elite conservatory which is located in New York City. After his baseball career ended, he decided to go back to school full-time. He got his degree in 3 years. So very cool for Bernie. Congratulations, buddy. Very happy for you.
Big Bernie. Every picture I've seen of him lately, he's got a guitar in his hand. He's got a cap and gown.
Yep. That's impressive. That was the real deal. He had to interview for that to get accepted to that school. And he really took a full slate and did it the hard way. He really earned it.